Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Children, you have seen several kinds of plants and animals. However, there are other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. These are called microorganisms or microbes. For examples, you might have observed that during the rainy season, moist bread gets spoiled and its surface gets covered with grayish white patches. Isn't it? Observe these patches through a magnifying glass. You will see a tiny black rounded structures. Do you know what these structures are and where these come from? Children, do you find tiny organisms moving around us? This observation shows that the water and soil are fully of tiny organisms. Though not all often them fall into the category of microbes, these organisms or microbes are so small in size that they cannot be seen with the unaided eye. Some of these, such as fungus that grow on bread, can be seen with a magnifying glasses. Others cannot be seen with the help of microscope. That is why these are called microorganisms or microbes. Now let us discuss what are microbes or microorganisms. Microbes or microorganisms are tiny organisms which are so small that we cannot see them with an unaided eye. Some microorganisms can be seen with the help of magnifying glasses, such as fungus that grow on bread, while some can only be seen when you use a microscope, such as bacteria and protozoa. Microorganisms were first observed by Antony van Leeuwenhoek, viral bacteria and protozoal diseases. Microorganisms are classified into four major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa,